How to fix filters not showing up on Snapchat. Where to find filters on Snapchat, you can open the Snapchat. Down below you can find filters, you can find various tabs of filters. You can also simply use the head over towards the end here to find the search option and explore more lenses, right? You can use the search bar. Now, however, many filters like city tags or local stickers only appear if you let the app know where you are. So make sure you have enabled the location on your device. Now I have allowed my location. I just have set my ghost mode enabled, so you can do that if you don't want your location to be exposed. Similarly, make sure to turn on filters, settings, open up Snapchat, and head over to profile and head over to settings. Then once your settings, you want to head over to manage option under additional services. So you can see friend emoji, skin tone, permissions, add preferences, passkeys, here various options. You should be able to find the option here that says manage as well. If it depends on the version, but if you do find it, you have to toggle this filter switch on under it. Unfortunately, in my case, it's not available, which means it is already auto enabled. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.